Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Two people dead after crash involving two boats on Lake Winnipesaukee, according to New Hampshire State Police. Officials believe the vessel was involved in a boating accident Saturday night, leaving two people dead, one injured. New Hampshire State Police Marine Patrol investigators located a second boat believed to have been involved in a boating accident near Bear Island on Lake Winnipesaukee on Sunday. Initially on the afternoon of November 9th, the Marine Patrol was notified of a boating accident involving injuries on the north side of Bear Island. Officials located the boat. Aboard was an injured female passenger who had suffered head injuries. The male occupant of the boat was pronounced dead at the scene, according to officials. The female passenger was transported to Lakes Region General Hospital in Laconia with serious but non-life-threatening injuries. As the investigation continued, Marine Patrol investigators determined there was likely an unidentified vessel or structure involved in the collision. During the investigation, officials said they received a report of a possible missing boater from Bear Island. Officials investigating said divers from New Hampshire Fish and Game, along with a state police helicopter, uncovered the second boat submerged in more than 45 feet of water. There, officials reported they discovered the body of a deceased man inside the submerged boat. Officials said they believe the two vessels collided with another, but the incident is still under investigation. All parties involved live on Bear Island based on the evidence and discussion with witnesses. The names of those involved are being withheld. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening. I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and bye, everyone.